As a professional today, your life, I bet, isn't easy. You have a job that no longer ends at 5 o'clock but goes into all hours of the day. You have a personal life where there are more and more things to do all the time. You're most likely feeling squeezed and at the same time sleeping less or having trouble sleeping and possibly complaining that you're ever more busy and ever more tired. The pandemic hasn't made that easier either. But at the same time, there is a tool to help you make sure that the things that matter the most to you, your family, your relationships, your self-care and health, do not slide off the table, and neither does your career. This tool is called the Grid, and it's a one-page simple framework and method to ensure that you make time for all the things that need you and all the things that matter.